In this video, I'll be showing you how you can create a Claude account to any country. Well, the best way and how you can do this is by using a VPN. For this video, we will be featuring features of NordVPN. First is to click the Get NordVPN and then connect to a server in a country where Claude AI is available. For example, if it's available in United Kingdom, just click that United Kingdom icon and then click the connect button. And there you are now connected in a server from United Kingdom. Now, once connected, open your browser or the app and access the Claude AI's platform. Sign up or log into your account and start using Claude AI seamlessly. So by using any available VPN, you can bypass regional restrictions and access Claude AI from anywhere in the world. And that's it. That's how you can create a Claude AI account with any country, and thank you for listening.